Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Fangs Creations. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this push trap from Clash of Clans. Now this is a level 8 push trap and this is from the builder base. So as you can see it has the spring and everything just like the spring trap, and the grass that grew over it, the little bit of mud and all of that. This is like a medium difficulty kind of trap. Let me just focus. And these are the materials. The first thing is polymer clay for making the whole board and the grass and all of that. Super glue for reinforcing, cardboard base. Now this base is a 2x2 square which is 4 cm by 4 cm. And this spray paint is only used for one component, that is that there's a small diamond shaped thing. I'll provide the picture later in the video. Keep watching. So according to that picture, it has this small piece. I don't know if it's a rock or a shiny thing. Anyways, for that, and the brushes and acrylic paints for painting the rest of the push trap. So yeah, so those are the materials. Now let's go to the workshop and let's make this. Okay guys, before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell and select all so that you don't miss any of my latest upcoming videos. Let's get started. Now you know the process. The first thing is we need to mix this 2-part resin polymer clay and we need to make it flat, form of a board, and try to make it into like a rough rectangle. We need to cut out the edges just like that to make them sharp. We need to next sand the edges and the top and bottom. I'm going to change the bit to a sanding drum. I need to sand it accordingly, and the spring you see, I provided the link on the top, you can check it out, and this from a spring trap. Now this arrow mark is the same as the picture given. I provided the picture in the right side, on the top right side, both of the pictures, so you can refer to them. You need to sand and you need to make it in the proper dimensions so that they'll fit. You need to mix some more polymer clay and to mix the edges and the squares on the four corners, just like this. So as you can see, I've also added the bolts and everything, and you need to go ahead and paint this with some golden acrylic paint. Now this acrylic paint is basically like a lot of glitter mixed with some glue kind of material, I'm not sure, and you need to just keep painting that. Now this is a light purple mixed with some white and little bit of talcum powder to get a matte finish, just like this. You need to paint this carefully, and I hope you can see the details. Actually there are small holes and like kind of cracks and all of that, like circles and all of that. So those are actually carved using a sharp diamond bit, cone type of bit. The grass is green and the spring is also golden, and after you do all of that, as you can see, you get a nice finish like this. You need to give the gold paint about I think you should give 2 to 3 times of coatings of this paint. And as you can see, the small silver part, that is the chrome color thing. And the grass you see here is also polymer clay, just like this. It's there on the sides and the front. So I provided the iCard on the top, and this grass is shown in the cake video, which is the 5th anniversary cake of Clash of Clans. As you can see, the spring came out really well. It is sticking to the ground, and the black area is like, if you've seen the pictures previously, you can see the looks of it. And also I have an Instagram account, guys. You can follow me there. I upload sneak peeks and behind the scenes kind of stuff there. I also upload stories and all kinds of stuff. So make sure you follow me. Well, yeah. And also, before you go, make sure you like this video and comment down below, guys. You can give me suggestions on how I can improve my videos, or what, instead of this clay, can I use something else, and all of that. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.